To view your transaction history in Google Pay, start by opening the Google Pay app on your device. If you have multiple accounts linked to Google Pay, ensure you are using the correct account. Next, navigate to the main screen of the Google Pay app where you can see your available balance and recent transactions. Tap on the transaction you want to view details for. Or if you do not see the specific transaction, tap on the Passes tab at the bottom of the screen and then tap on the Statement or Transactions option. This will take you to the transaction history page where you can see a list of all your recent transactions, including the date, amount, and the merchant name. You can also filter your transactions by date or by type, such as payments or refunds. To view more details about a specific transaction, such as the location where the transaction was made, tap on the transaction. You will also see the status of the transaction, whether it is pending or completed. It is a good practice to regularly review your transaction history to ensure that all transactions are legitimate and to detect any suspicious activity early. If you notice any discrepancy, contact the merchant or your bank immediately to report the issue. Additionally, you can also export your transaction history to a spreadsheet or other format for record-keeping purposes. To do this, go to the transaction history page, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and select the export option. By following these steps, you can easily view your transaction history in Google Pay and stay on top of your finances. Remember to always keep your device and Google Pay app up to date to ensure the security of your transactions.